Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Clear your Snapchat cache. Snapchat stores your data in a cache, just like almost every other app. Clearing the cache on Android and iOS is crucial to your phone's performance, and the same goes for Snapchat. Once in a while, one of the files in the cache could become corrupt.
Let's help you make your mark.
Main solution is to reboot and restart Snapchat entirely. Simply close the app on your Android or Apple device and try opening it again. Sometimes apps like these just need to be opened and closed still to start working. It's the first rule of IT, in fact.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you're having trouble installing or updating Snapchat on your Android device, then check out Google's app install troubleshooting tips. You can also ask the Google Play community for help, or reach out to your device manufacturer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.